Hello everybody, today's topic, it's what day is it? Day 15 of lockdown. This is Autumn, the hound. She's missed me. I'm not walking at the moment. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to be going through stalling and what's the most common reason for stalling. There's lots of reasons for stalling: not pressing the clutch down when you're stopping, moving off in the wrong gear, moving off the handbrake on, lots of them. The most common one is just as you set off, you stall. And the reason is because a lot of driving instructors have diesel cars, and the modern petrol engine has a engine management system. So when you find the biting point, the revs increase very slightly. But if you're not quick enough with the clutch, or too quick or too slow, you don't quite get it right. It's a machine, it just does it automatic. It doesn't do it according to the surface, how quickly you want to go. So again, back to Driving the Essential Skills, DVSA book, set the test. On page 89, moving off. To prepare to move off. With your right foot, press the accelerator slightly and hold it steady. What that means in my terms, 1,500 revs. Slowly and smoothly, let the clutch up. You're already in gear, you've got the clutch down until you find the biting point, okay? So it clearly says in that book, set the gas and find the biting point. It is possible to move off without gas, like a tractor, chug, 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 chug. You can reverse, you can do all sorts of things, but if you want to move off a Burger King roundabout, because everyone else is flying, you've got a tiny little gap you've got to take, set the gas. Don't move off on the clutch only. Yes, the car does it for you to a certain extent, but you cannot, in a petrol car particularly, you cannot not set the gas. And that is the top reason for stalling, just not setting that gas. And particularly if you go practice at home and get in your instructor's car, this is why we say to people, if you're doing more practice in your car, take the test in your car, because don't want to come and drive my car because you're going to have a bit of a mare. So drive the car on the test that you are most comfortable with, and that's it. Okay, so great, that's it today. So I've done my 22k on the cross trainer, still unable to get out walking, still quite painful. Got my physio appointment on Monday, wait and see what happens. Shout out to Joe, he's been out today and done another 22k on foot, and also sorts of other exercises with his clients. He's a machine. He's trying to raise £365,000 for charity for combat stress, cancer research and mountain rescue England and Wales. Coronavirus has massively impacted his challenge, not able to do the mountains he wanted to do, etc. So check him out, check out his website, oldboystraining.com, and his charity page is below. Even if you can't afford to donate, just follow him because he's inspirational, got cancer and makes us all look rather inept. Right, that's it. Have a good day. Well, good evening. It's now night time, and I will see you tomorrow.